they don't know. It's all from Dollar Tree. Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So today we are doing something so fun. This entire makeup look minus lip liner and foundation is from Dollar Tree, and it is one brand. It is from Mercerie at Dollar Tree. This brand, oh my gosh, I am so impressed with the quality of their products. This is actually a look I created for them on TikTok, and I'm recreating it here for YouTube. This YouTube is not sponsored, but they did send me these products for free, but you can go grab them at your local Dollar Tree. This is like a glam look, but you could also like wear it every day if you're a glam girl. It's a special event makeup look, and honestly, I have never gotten so many compliments on my makeup. I did a video wearing this makeup on Instagram and TikTok. I got so many compliments. I'm calling it my budget baddie makeup because I feel like it makes you look like a baddie. Whatever that means, I just feel like that is this look. Even more so when my hair was straight when I originally did this. Alright guys, let's just get right on into the makeup look. I am so excited. Being in my Dollar Tree pink makeup bag, I still have the tag on because I don't know if I'm going to be giving this away, but I'm storing all my Le Mercerie makeup in here. And I can't wait to show you guys this look. It is honestly so easy. So they have something really for everyone. I'm of course going to start out with the eyes. So they have two eyeshadow palettes. This is the All Eyes Pressed Eyeshadow Palette. You get 9 shades in here, and it definitely gives me like Anastasia vibes, which is really cool. This is the warm palette, and this is the more cool tone palette. I added an extra light over here. I think it looks a lot better. Palette, and I used this shade all over my lid. It's like it has like a little bit of a shimmer to it. And yet again, after this, I'm going to the gym, so we're gonna be freaking glam while we're lifting our weights. Honestly, I don't mind having makeup on when I work out. I feel like it helps me lift heavier. You get a little self-conscious. Not that I should, but that people are like, why is that girl wearing so much makeup at the gym? But if it's like the end of the day, who cares? Like, a lot of people come from work from the gym. If you're in the morning, it makes more sense why you know, wouldn't have makeup on, because it's like, oh, I'm gonna work out, it's the morning, and then go shower. But at night, like when it's later in the day, like most people do have their makeup on already. For me, it's a little different because I'm literally filming makeup look. Shade right here in the middle. It's like a neutral matte brown, really nice, and a fluffy crease brush. And I'm just gonna put this in my crease and the outer eye. Can you guys see me a little better? I don't have a zoom on this camera, so I just have to move closer to the camera. So just literally going back and forth in my crease like this. And then same to this eye. When I was creating this look, when I did it for TikTok, because I worked with them on TikTok, was like, oh, like I was thinking I had to do like this super dark look, and then I was like, I started adding the shadows. Hi Giz, Gizzy's here. I started adding the shadows, and I was like, you know what, I really don't need that to go that dark, because it looked good just with like 3 shades. So it just goes to show you don't always need to do like something super super dark to make like a glam look. Like smoky isn't the only way to be glam. If that makes sense. If I look super glowy right now, it's because I put like snail mucin on, and I'm sorry, that snail mucin stuff, it makes your skin so glowy. Like, I am obsessed right now with Korean skincare. I feel like it's making me look, it's keeping me young, you guys. It's keeping your girl young, and that's all I can ask for. So Korean skincare is amazing. I'm using a lot of stuff from Medicube because they sent me over a ton of their stuff from TikTok, and I'm using their skincare device, which is crazy. It is so good. It's pricey. Again, they sent it to me, so I didn't have to pay for it, but I would pay for it because it is that good. Like, it pushes the skincare products deeper into your skin, and I can like definitely tell a difference with it. Do you guys see how I'm just like smoking this out on my eye? Like, I'm going pretty intense with it. It's like one of these rounded types of brushes. I call it the MAC 217 because that's what like I grew up with, like this rounded crease brush. We're gonna go into the other palette, which is the warm one. It's like this deep cranberry shade. Smoke out the outer corner. I love these like cranberry shades. I think they are so pretty on all eye colors. Right now I'm wearing my green contacts because that's what I had on in the original video, but this would also look really pretty with brown eyes or blue eyes. But this would also look great with if I have my brown eyes on or if you have brown eyes. I posted a reel on my Dollar Tree Dolly Instagram and I had on like literally barely any makeup, very natural look, and someone commented that they loved how natural I looked and like they loved that look for me, and I was like, oh my gosh, like it was such a sweet comment. I swear, the people on my Instagram, I'm just rambling and yapping now, but the people on my Instagram, people like, they don't know me obviously in real life, the sweetest people to me, the kindest compliments, they are like my hype people. Like they lift me up. I have to put on some gloss, my lips are so dry. They hype me up, man. Like I am so grateful that I have built that community. Like it takes years to build a community. When you do, even with you guys, we're a community here on YouTube, and thank you for your support here and your kind comments, because you guys mean the world to me, like truly. I feel like I know you guys, and it's the same with my Instagram community. You can follow me on my Instagram at Dollar Tree Dolly, but like everyone is so sweet. It's amazing, honestly. There, I'm gonna use their liquid eyeliner, which is so good. This I definitely think is like a Maybelline dupe or some sort of dupe. It also reminds me a little bit of like that old NYC liner, if you guys remember that drugstore brand. But the only thing with these liners, I love them because they are so black, and it's definitely maybe not for a beginner because it's very liquidy, but the line you can get with this is chef's kiss. But it gets in your lashes and then it makes it hard to put mascara in your lashes, so you kind of have to like comb through them with a lash comb. But what I do is I start from the bottom of my waterline and I draw up from there. And then I draw in, and that helps me create my wing. And then I just fill it in and bring it thinner to the inner corner. You have to be a little careful because you don't want it to be too thick. But honestly, sometimes I get carried away and I just make like the craziest line. Like when I did this wing the other day for my TikTok, the wing was crazy. I had to like keep fixing it, but we made it work. It's getting stuck in my lashes. Okay, so for mascara, I'm gonna go ahead and use their Volume XX Volumizing Mascara. I already did this eye. Honestly, this mascara is really good. It might be one of the best at Dollar Tree. I am so picky with mascaras, and I never really like the dollar store mascaras. Like the only one I ever really liked okay was the Wet n Wild one. But this one actually like grabs onto your lashes. Move over a little bit. I feel like I'm a little off center here. And it actually gives me nice length and volume. And like I told you guys before, my lashes are kind of sticking together a little bit. But I'm going to be applying the Mercerie lashes, so it's fine. But like, look, so nice. I am very honest with you guys about mascaras, like when they don't work good, because I've tried so many. You guys already know I've tried a bajillion mascaras and I'm super picky, but for the Dollar Tree, this is a really good one. I highly recommend. Roll-on hydrating lip gloss. I tried to get it out, but it wouldn't. I'm thinking I'm gonna actually pop off the little roller ball and just use it like without that, because then I can get the product to come out. Next, we're gonna use their lashes, and I literally just realized this right now. I was looking at the back. It says these are self-adhesive, so basically it's like the heat of your body bonds these to your eye, which I used lash glue. It's funny, I haven't even really been wearing lashes too much recently because I've been using a lash serum, and it's been working so well. It actually looks so good on their own. Like, it's funny when I put on a lash, like say it's something like this, I'm like, oh, my natural lash looked even better because they're so long and full, and it kind of looks like I'm already wearing fake lashes. Well, I did only this eye so far, but I want to use their black eyeliner pencil in my waterline. I actually didn't use this last time when I was filming that TikTok. Let's see how this is. But line your waterline with black, and then I also tightline with... I don't have a foundation from them, but I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way matte foundation. And this might be a little dark for me right now, but we're gonna use it anyway because this is what I used. I think, yeah, this is what I used when I made that TikTok video. Because I don't have any brow products from them. I don't think they make any brow products. But I'm super curious to see if they come out with more products this year. Like, I think this is their core line. So it'll be interesting to see if they do anything like limited edition or anything like that. I'm wearing this really cute little like off the shoulder top I got at Target on clearance. It was like $9. Honestly, sometimes I'll just buy tops for like filming so I can have a few different things to wear, because since I'm always filming different videos, it's nice to have options. I really like their concealer. So this is the full coverage concealer to effortlessly blend. I have two shades. So I have this one. Does this have like a number? I don't see like a number on here. Yeah, there's no number. Oh, on top it says 115. This might be 114. So 115 is a little more yellow, whereas this one's a little bit more pink. Let's try 115 today. This is light and creamy to brighten cover blemishes, dark and dark under eye circle. Looks like this. Okay, this one's a little bit... They're not like super, super light concealers, but honestly, I kind of like it because I feel like it blends in nicely. And I'm just using my foundation brush to blend this out. I'm honestly being super lazy about blending this. But it blends in really nicely and easily. The Pressed Finishing Translucent Powder, great powder. And this is perfect for like the shine because I'm a little shiny right now, and I'm also using this on the sides of my nose to do kind of like a reverse nose contour. I know it sounds weird, but I'm like putting light on the sides instead of doing the dark lines that I usually do. I did this last time and I liked the way it looked. Chin. Like, it's definitely a little bit, I want to say obvious of a powder to your face. Almost has like a little bit of a gray undertone to it, but I do really like it. I think it's a good like budget powder. What I'm saying is that like it does the job. It works really well. I'm trying to, I think I might like the Essentially Ageless translucent one a little bit more, but they're both quite good. That one just has an edge over it. I don't have any blushes in their line, so I just went ahead and applied the blush I used last time, which is ColourPop Morning Vibes, which is like a really pretty peach with a little bit of shimmer. Really beautiful. For highlight, they also don't have a highlighter, so I'm just going to use this Ofra Star Island highlighter. Loving that, bringing back the blinding highlight, and you really don't need that much, just a little swipe. The bronzer, oh my gosh, guys, the bronzer is so good. There's two shades. This one's deeper. It's a little bit too deep for me. Maybe in the summer I could wear it. This one is 116. So here's the deeper one and here's the lighter one that I use. I don't have a lip liner from them and there's no lipstick, so we kind of have to improvise. Let's try the Maybelline. I love these, the lifter liners. I'm obsessed with lip liner. I couldn't live without it. Honestly, grateful for lip liner. Right now on Gratitude. And it's such a good book, and you can be grateful for literally anything in your life, and you know, just thankful. And of course I like to say thanks to God, Jesus, and just doing the gratitude every day is so lovely. It's like go on this like daily journey of doing it. Like, not that I didn't have it before, but it's like to ramp up and kind of like change your life by being so grateful and thankful every day, of course, to, you know, God and people in your life and just counting all your blessings. So it's like, I'm already super excited. I just started reading the book last night. My friend got it for me. We use this LA Colors lipstick. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And I'm using the Mercerie lip gloss. It's the Maximum Lip Shine. There's a few different colors. There's the other one. This is the other one I have. This is 721. It's more like a mauvey nude, but I instantly loved the pink one. So just gonna put that on top. Oh, so pretty. It's more of like a, definitely a milky pink. Last All Day Makeup Setting Spray. It's like a little bottle, but it says it's transfer proof, humidity resistant. So, oh, crazy hairs. I had to fix my hair, but close your eyes. I have the new Dollar Tree Beauty Fan. I did a video on it, but it's in my, I don't have it here with me. So we're just gonna use my favorite, my portable fan, which works honestly amazing. Excuse me, like Dollar Tree? What? Like, you would think this is Sephora, right? Like, am I crazy? Okay, so let me take down, I think I did everything. Final look using all Dollar Tree makeup. I love this look. Like, I literally just want to wear this every day. Like, put this on my face every day. You guys, I hope you try this out because it's just, it's perfect. It's every day. It's glam. It's good for a special event. It's closer. I love the face. I feel bronzed. I love the eyes. Like, they're simple, but still a statement eye. The lashes, beautiful. Liner, gorgeous. What do you think? I love it so much. We back up. That's it. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had so much fun doing this. If you guys couldn't tell, I've just been like loving this makeup. Mercerie really caught me by surprise. Like, I was not expecting this. I'm gonna be quite honest with you guys. Like, I did not know their stuff was this good. I think I wrote it off honestly for a while, but trying this is my second time doing this look and I love it. Like, so I cannot recommend these products enough. I hope you guys check them out at Dollar Tree. I'm not working with them on this YouTube. I did work with them on TikTok. I did 2 videos with them, which was so exciting. Like, I am so blessed, honored, and grateful to work with brands that I love and talk about all the time. And I obviously talk about Dollar Tree stuff all the time, so I am very grateful. So thank you to Mercerie for like sending me all these products to try. But honestly, they're so affordable. Like, $1.25. And I say this all the time, but you do not need to spend a lot. People would think, like, I think that they would think that you got everything from Sephora, but they don't know. It's all from Dollar Tree. But I like to share. I'm not a gatekeeper, so I tell you guys everything I'm wearing, everything I love. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah! Bye, guys.